A computer virus destroyed all my files. The graph shows the population growth in the last century. The origin of psychology can be traced back to ancient Greece. Experts cannot agree on a single definition of intelligence. There is a lot more about this topic in the university website. The literal output of this research is prolific and diverse. Knowledge becomes a vital role in young generations. Students must attend the safety course before entering the engineering workshop. At that time, people moved from towns to villages. She has a small business about toys. It is expected that all students have their own laptops. You have to submit the project by the end of the week. None of the students found it difficult to get a job. His particular interest is in the 18th century French society. Such behaviors are regarded as a deviation of the norm. The contemporary literature works have been broadened and extended through interpretation. Essays and assignments should be submitted to the department office before the deadline. Students' past education and experience are vital. Application forms for sharing accommodations must be completed 2 months in advance. Professor Tim Lee invented World Wide Web. Students will need to be in the lecture this Thursday. My favorite sports are soccer, tennis and basketball. Telecommunication is based on the array of networks. To take this course, students should have basic subject knowledge. A man who suffered serious brain damage during an operation is suing the hospital. Collaboration is a feature of a successful company. Social work is not the only subject in sociology. Today's lecture is cancelled because the lecturer is ill. The department determines whether or not the candidates pass. I am available this Thursday afternoon. Newspapers around the country are reporting the stories of the president. Tuition fees will vary according to the field of study. The current labor force is more competitive than it has been for a long time. Foods containing overabundant calories supply little or no nutritional value.
The university's online courses provide flexible learning options for students. The campus gym has state-of-the-art exercise equipment.
Please make an appointment before attending the next meeting. You have to submit projects by the end of this week. Lots of students had money and passports stolen, especially at night. The study demonstrates a need for further research in this field. Many species have not yet been discovered by biologists. We've been doing research in that area for probably 25 years. The campus car park will be closed next weekend. The final exam will test material from all chapters covered in class this term. The English expression is just a way of saying that age is not important. We are considering all candidates' backgrounds and identities. You are not sure that you can skip the sessions for Wednesday. Car park permits can be obtained at the Student Service Center. We will change the classroom because this one is too small. You can borrow up to 2 books at the same time in the library.